Have you ever wondered what makes each one of us unique? It's our genes. They are like an instruction manual, telling our bodies how to grow and function. But what happens when there's a slight variation in this manual? Today, we delve into a condition that arises from such a variation: Down syndrome. Down syndrome is a genetic condition that occurs due to the presence of an extra chromosome. Normally, a person has 46 chromosomes, but in Down syndrome, there's an additional one, typically on the 21st chromosome. This is why another name for Down syndrome is trisomy 21. Now you might be wondering, what does this extra chromosome do? Well, it results in a variety of signs and symptoms that can vary in severity. These signs can sometimes be observed at birth, while others may become more apparent as the child grows and develops. One of the most common signs of Down syndrome is mild to moderate mental impairment. This doesn't mean that individuals with Down syndrome can't learn or lead fulfilling lives. It simply means that they may face challenges in certain areas of cognitive development. Physical characteristics can also indicate the presence of Down syndrome. Individuals may not be too tall or could be slightly shorter in height than their peers. Certain facial features may also be observed, such as a flat nose, small ears, and eyes that may slant upwards. Another sign of Down syndrome can be seen in the palms of the hands. A single straight crease across the palm, often referred to as a simian crease, is a common characteristic. Health complications can also be associated with Down syndrome. Heart disease and thyroid problems are more common in individuals with this condition. It's important to note that while these signs and symptoms are common, not everyone with Down syndrome will have all of them. Each individual is unique, with their own strengths and challenges. Down syndrome occurs in approximately 1 in every 800 births, affecting about 7 million people worldwide. Despite its prevalence, it's often underdiagnosed. However, with the right support, most people with Down syndrome can lead a normal and fulfilling life. So to recap, Down syndrome is a genetic condition caused by an extra chromosome. This can result in a range of signs and symptoms, from physical characteristics to health complications. Despite these challenges, individuals with Down syndrome can and do lead rich, fulfilling lives. It's through understanding and awareness that we can ensure that every individual, regardless of their genetic makeup, is given the opportunity to thrive. After all, it's our differences that make us unique. And in understanding these differences, we can create a more inclusive and understanding world. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand about conditions like Down syndrome, the better equipped we are to support those living with it. Because everyone deserves the opportunity to live a life full of potential and promise.